You can modify the pickability state of the game objects. Similar to scene visibility, use the toolbar to block specific game object for being selected in the scene view. This is useful to avoid selecting and editing an unintended game object in the live scenes. Let's say I have finalized these white lines in my level design and now I don't want to pick them or select them accidentally. Selecting the parent object and clicking on this hand icon. It will make them not pickable. Now let's try to select these white lines. I'm clicking on the lines to select them, but as we can see, these lines are not selectable anymore. Now let's find something else to try this again. First, let's collapse this line object. And this time we are saying the lights are on their final position and we don't want to move them anymore. I'm looking for the light object and making it not pickable by clicking on this hand icon. So now I'm not able to pick up the lights, so they are at their final position. Let's talk a bit more about the icons. This icon means you can pick up this game object, but some of the game objects are not pickable. And this icon means this is not pickable or selectable. And when we hover over the game object, it shows this icon, and that's mean we can pick this game object and we can select and move around the game object. Now we are making this wall of block not pickable. And if we are done with our level design and overall testing of the scene, we can click the parent object to deselect everything. This way everything will be selectable again. We can select these wired lines, the lights and the wall blocks, everything that previously we have made not selectable. I hope this video helps you. If you have any question, you can always ask me. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next.